Hey Honda Civic fans, if you're driving a 2020 or 2021 Civic with the 1.5-liter turbo manual, you need to know about a clutch issue that could affect you and what Honda will actually do about it. Some owners have reported trouble shifting, clutch slipping, or even the car refusing to move. So what happens if this is you? Honda traced the problem to the clutch friction disc wearing out too soon. This is due to a mix of friction material quality, driving habits, and design tolerances. If the friction material isn't durable, or if you drive aggressively or in heavy traffic, the clutch can wear out much faster than normal. Your driving style matters a lot. Stop-and-go traffic, riding the clutch, or hard shifting can all make things worse. And if the clutch parts don't fit together just right, that can also speed up wear. Now, here's the key info. Honda has not issued a recall, but there is a technical service bulletin, TSB A22-017, that covers this clutch issue for certain cars. If your Civic is affected and still under warranty, specifically under 60,000 miles or 5 years old, Honda will typically cover the full repair. That means they'll replace the flywheel, clutch disc, pressure plate, and release bearing at no cost to you. To get this fixed, bring your car and the TSB number to your Honda dealer. If you're within the 60K miles or 5-year window, you should be covered. But if you're out of warranty, over 60,000 miles or more than 5 years old, Honda will not cover the repair, and you'll have to pay out of pocket. Typical out-of-warranty repair costs for this clutch job can be over $2,000 at a dealership. Some owners have reported quotes as high as $2,500 or more. Also, even if you are under warranty, be prepared for an inspection fee, usually between $600 and $800. Sometimes Honda will reimburse this if the repair is covered, but always ask your dealer first. To recap, if your Civic is under 60,000 miles or 5 years old, Honda should fix the clutch issue for free under the TSB. If you're over those limits, you'll pay for the repair, often $2,000 or more. Inspection fees may apply, so ask about reimbursement. Always bring the TSB number, A22017, to your dealer and keep all paperwork and records. If you're out of warranty, consider a reputable independent shop to save money. But remember, you won't have Honda's coverage. And if you modified your car, Honda might deny your claim, so keep it stock if you want the best chance at coverage. Bottom line, if you notice clutch issues, act fast. Check your mileage and age, bring the TSB to your dealer, and ask about inspection fees and warranty coverage. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share your clutch repair experiences in the comments. Good luck, and thanks for watching.